Today, we'll demonstrate how to use multi-prog to read VW, Audi 5C, 5D key data and generate a dealer key. You can use either original key or VVDI key. In this video, we'll show the VVDI key method. 1. Read original car key. First, you need to read original key data. You can refer to our previous video for the operation. Both soldering and solder-free adapter methods are supported. 2. Generate dealer key. Connect VVDI to computer. Open the VVDI to software. Click Transponder Programmer. After the device is connected, select Prepare Remote Proximity Key. Choose Prepare Proximity Remote. Select Type MQB495C New. Place the VVDI key into the coil. Click to generate the smart key. After generation is completed, return to the menu. Click VW. Once connected, click Key Learn. Follow this path. MQB Platform Instrument Immobilizer. Instrument with 5C, 5D IMMO. Click Make Dealer Key. Click OK to load the previously read IMMO data. Find and open the corresponding data file. Select VVDI Proximity Remote for generation. Click Next. Make sure the key is inside the coil. Click OK. The dealer key is generated successfully. 2. Using Key Tool MIDI. Click Remote Program. Select VW. Choose MQB495C New. Place the VVDI key into the coil. Click Generate and wait for writing to complete. After the remote is generated, return to the main menu. Enter Remote Programming. Follow this path. VW. Select by type. MQB Instrument IMMO System. Instrument, MQB495C System. Click Start Programming. Select Method 1 for adding keys. Click Keyless Go. Click Generate Dealer Key. Load key file. Select VVDI key. Click OK to load the previously saved key file. Find and open the file. Place the VVDI key into the coil. Click OK. The dealer key is generated successfully. You can proceed to the vehicle for key learning. VVDI2, Key Tool MIDI, or Key Tool Plus is required. That's the full procedure for generating a VW5C dealer key using VVDI key. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.